To add a testimonial section in Softr, you're going to build a dedicated block that displays customer feedback, and I'll walk you through every step so you can get it done quickly and correctly. Testimonials are one of the most powerful trust signals you can add to any web application because they show real people vouching for your product or service, which directly influences new visitors to take action. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you need to log into your Softr account. Head over to the Softr website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left side of that dashboard, you'll see a sidebar with several menu options. Click on the one that says Applications. This will pull up a list of all the apps you've created inside your Softr account. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to locate the specific application you want to edit. Softr organizes everything visually, so you should see each app as a card with its name and a preview thumbnail. Click on the application to open it up. Once your application loads, you'll be taken inside the builder. Now look again at the left sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on that. This will display every page that exists within your application. Softr works by letting you build separate pages for different purposes, like a home page, a pricing page, or a contact page. You need to decide which page you want the testimonials to appear on. A common choice is the home page, because that's often where new visitors land first. But you could also add them to a dedicated testimonial page or a landing page for a specific campaign. Click on the page you want to edit to open it in the page editor. Now you're inside the page editor, and you'll see the current layout of your chosen page. Scroll through the page until you find the exact location where you want the testimonial section to appear. You can place it between existing sections at the bottom or near the top. It's up to you. The key is to think about the flow of your page. Testimonials work really well right after you've stated your value proposition, or just before a call to action button, because they provide social proof that helps overcome hesitation. When you've found the spot, you'll need to insert a new block there. To do that, look for a small plus button. It usually appears as a circle with a plus sign. It might show up when you hover your mouse between two existing sections or at the very bottom of the page. Click that plus button. When you click the plus button, a block library will open on the right side of your screen. This library contains all the different types of sections you can add to your page, from headers to feature grids to contact forms. At the top of that library, you'll see a set of tabs or categories. Click on the tab labeled Website. This filters the blocks to show only the ones designed for standard website functionality, as opposed to blocks for data-driven lists or user profiles. Inside the website category, scroll down until you find a section called Testimonials. You'll see a button next to it that says See All. Click that button. Now you're looking at the complete collection of testimonial layouts available in Softr. There are quite a few, so take your time to browse through them. Each layout has a different visual style. Some show a single testimonial in a large card. Others display a grid of several testimonials, and some have star ratings or profile photos featured prominently. Think about the overall design of your application. If your app has a clean, minimalist look, you might choose a simple layout with just names and quotes. If you want to show more personality, a layout that includes headshots and job titles can be very effective. Once you find a layout that fits, click on it. Softr will automatically insert that testimonial block into your page at the exact location where you had clicked the plus button. You'll see it appear instantly in the editor. After the testimonial section is on your page, it's time to customize it with real customer feedback. Click on the testimonial block and you'll see editing options on the right sidebar. Here you can change the names of the people providing the testimonials, upload their photos, add their job titles, adjust star ratings if the layout includes them, and of course write the testimonial text itself. Be authentic here. Use actual feedback from real customers. You can also tweak the styling. Most testimonial blocks in Softr allow you to adjust background colors, text alignment, font sizes, and spacing. You want the section to feel like a natural part of your application, so match the colors and fonts to the rest of your page. If your brand uses a specific accent color, apply it to the block's background or the star ratings for a cohesive look. Once you've finished customizing the section, you should review the testimonials carefully. Make sure the content is accurate. Check that names are spelled correctly, that photos are clear and not stretched, and that the testimonial text itself reads smoothly. You want each testimonial to be concise and easy to scan, ideally highlighting a specific benefit or result. When everything looks good, preview your application. Softr has a preview button, usually at the top right of the editor. Click it to see how the testimonial section appears on a real device. Test it on different screen sizes if you can, desktop, tablet, and mobile, because layout columns can sometimes shift in unexpected ways. If something looks off, go back into the editor and adjust the padding or text size until it's perfect. When you're satisfied, publish your changes. Let me recap what you've accomplished. You have now successfully added a testimonial section to your Softr application, customized it with authentic customer feedback, and styled it to match your brand. This section will build trust with every new visitor who lands on your page. As a next step, consider collecting fresh testimonials regularly and swapping out older ones every few months to keep the content current. You might also add a call to action button below the testimonial section, like a Get Started link, to capitalize on the trust you've just built. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or come back to it anytime. Thanks for watching.